Good day, Ms. Sparks. Today I'm going to be showing you my roughs for the logo for your company. And to start off, I wanted to pick something that was kind of simple that could be stuck on your packaging and not interfere with any other designs going on. So your company is very friendly, very feminine. So I picked a nice soft handwritten script font, and I paired it with a kind of rounded out sans serif to sort of complement the femininity of the whole design. Here where we have it in its full behind a white background, so you can see that it works regardless of what background it's on. So this is my logo so far, and I think it's pretty good. The color scheme wise, I was thinking of the feminine colors, but I wanted like a feminine blue to kind of complement but also make it stand out. But this design will work in any color we decided to go with. Thank you.